Constipation is a major complaint in today's time. Most people have this problem. पेट साफ नहीं होता. I've tried everything. Still I have this problem. So in this video, we're going to clear all your doubts. You're going to get all your answers. We're going to discuss about the causes, the prevention. If you neglect this condition, what will be the complication? What is the treatment? And what are the simple home remedies you can add in your day-to-day life and get the benefit from day one? Do like and share this video further, but most important, note down these points and follow them from today itself. So namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovis. As per Ayurveda, constipation is a sign that somewhere there is a Vata imbalance and Stroto Avrodh in the body. Vata imbalance is Vata, the air element is somewhere disturbed or there is a blockage in the channels. Most patients of arthritis, headache, muscle pain, joint pain, depression or migraine, somewhere constipation is associated over there. And as we give them these tips, as we give them certain medicines for constipation, they get some amount of relief in their main complaint as well. So even though it's a very small discomfort, if it's neglected, it can lead to various different complications. Like it can lead to piles, it can lead to various liver disorders, metabolic disorders, various other problems. What are the causes of constipation? We are all aware of this. The more we are progressing, the more are the chances of us having this problem, constipation. Like the night awakening, sleeping in the daytime, the junk food consumption of a lot of sour, salty foods. We are all aware of the sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercises. We all are aware of the causes. So because of all these causes, all these factors, out of the 5 types of Vata, the Pran, Vyan, Udan, Apan, Saman, out of the 5 types, Apan Vayu, the Apan Vayu gets affected and it gets blocked in the lower part of the intestine, and because of this there is constipation. So this is the main reason how constipation occurs in the body. As per Ayurveda, the line of treatment starts with Snehana. There are 2 types, Abhyantar Snehan, Bahya Snehan. Snehan means the oleation therapy. So Abhyantar Snehan, internal oleation. As soon as you wake up, we tell the patient what benefits them. It's this. You can start this from day 1. Consume 1 or 2 teaspoons of cow's ghee followed by a glass of warm water. The second option, if one is not comfortable, second option is mix 1 or 2 teaspoons of cow's ghee in half cup of warm cow's milk. Instead of cow's ghee, for better results, you can also use Triphala Ghrut. Triphala is a combination of Amalaki, Haritaki, Vivitaki, boosts your immune system, good for digestion, has a lot of other benefits, but both are equally beneficial. You can start this from today. Bahya Snehan, external oleation. It is said that Abhyangam Achare Nitya Sajara Shrama Vataha. Abhyangam, which means application of oil to your body. It's very good for Vata related disorders, very good for constipation. Apply Tel all over your body and take a bath. For better results, you can use Mahanarayan Tel, easily available at any of the nearest Ayurvedic stores. You can choose any brand, but Tel which you have at home, start applying to your body. It's the best way to stay young. Yes, application of oil on a regular basis has a lot of benefits. Instead of the oil, most people have watched our video of Udvartan and they are very much liking the Snigdha Udvartan which we spoke about. I'll add the video in the description box. You can go through, learn that process and do it at home. So 2 tips. Moving on to the third one. There's a misinformation that you must drink a lot of water to be healthy. We have patients that keep targets 6 liters, 7 liters, no physical exercise but drink a lot of water while they are not thirsty because it's healthy. This is a big misinformation. You should not do it because years later you will face Vata related disorders like muscle pain, joint pain, headache, constipation. All these problems will be there and you will get a big question mark with an answer. It is because of stress, it is because of the lifestyle. But the main reason is this. As soon as they wake up, they drink a lot of water enemas, or experimenting with water like taking a hot water and adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. This acts as a poison. There are various such experiments, various such facts that people may be doing on a regular basis. So to sum up in just one single line, drink a lot of water but as per your thirst. In many patients, we've told them to stop drinking water in the morning because they are not thirsty. If they are thirsty, yes, definitely drink water. And we've seen if people start drinking water as per their thirst, some amount of their symptoms are reduced. This is how you drink water in a very healthy way. Drink as per your thirst, a very important point. Fourth point, include more of fibers in your diet, which is a point that most people know and they are following that. We must include more of vegetables, more of salad, which have high fiber. Next point, if you have an urge of going to the washroom, make sure you do it. If you have a regular habit of holding these urges or stopping these urges, it can further lead to constipation as well as major health problems. The next point would be cut down the intake of dairy, cut down the intake of excess tea and excess coffee. Instead of the tea, you can consume the Jeera Detox tea, which requires 5 minutes time and 3 simple home ingredients, the ingredients that you have at home. So Jeera tea you can drink once or twice or even thrice a day. It is healthy, it will help you for the constipation in fact. So these are the several points as per Ayurvedic treatment. There are various herbs that are very helpful in relieving you from the constipation, like Haritaki, castor oil, there is Katukarohini, Patol, there is Draksha, Aragvat. There are various medicines that help you in this condition. Castor oil is very helpful, but one must first ask their nearest Ayurvedic doctor, and then as per their body type, as per their koshta, the doctor will tell them how much is the dosage, the right dosage for you. And then yes, castor oil has a good laxative effect. It is Vajshamam and has good results overall for your body. Other than this, there is Haritaki Churna. You can take 1 teaspoon before going to bed, only after consulting your nearest Ayurvedic doctor. The medicines are infinite. They have great results when it comes to constipation. Let us move to the simple home remedies that you can start from today. You can simply take 10 to 15 black raisins, Kala Munakka, and you can soak them in water in the morning, and at night you can chew them before going to bed. You can also soak them at night for about 1 hour, and after 1 hour you can chew them, you can consume them, and the next morning you will see the changes. These are some of the home remedies, these are some of the tips: the cow's ghee, Abhyantar, Bahya Snehan, water intake, fiber intake, and then this home remedy. All these factors will definitely help you a lot. If you still have constipation, you must see your nearest Ayurvedic doctor, because Panchakarma in such cases have a major role. They have great benefits. The Virechan medicated enema are extremely beneficial for relieving you from this condition. Do not neglect this condition. At least start following the simple home remedies. Any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section. Do like and share further. Until next time, from Jovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.